What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best resistance band home gym in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. So let's go. Number 1. Whatafit Resistance Band Set. Personal home gym. Our resistance band set includes 5 exercise bands, 1 door anchor, 2 cushioned handles, carrying case, and user manual to allow you to perform the widest variety of resistance training exercises possible at home. Suitable for daily use, each Whatafit exercise bands is carefully constructed to resist snapping and breaking, which are able to withstand intense daily exercise sessions. Now enjoy the exercise with Whatafit Resistance Band Set. Good quality materials. Whatafit Resistance Band is made of natural latex, is kind to the environment. Strong wear resistance and great elasticity, non-slip handle, comfortable and absorbent. Multifunction and portable, our resistance bands can apply to different types exercise. Good for toning your arms, shoulders, chest, glutes, legs, etc. Also comes with a convenient travel pouch. You can also take your bands to gym, office, etc. Plus online training videos. Access our online glute band training video for further instructions and tips on how to best perform each exercise with your cloth resistance bands for women and men. Number 2. VEICK Resistance Band Set. Exercise bands. Portable and easy to store, these bands are so lightweight, and this resistance kit comes with a cloth pouch. It is very convenient to carry and store, works for multiple workout scenario, as true resistance is maintained through every part of a motion. The resistance band set can be great with any popular workout like yoga, pilates and more, or use them for general exercise, stretching, strength training, power weight programs. Adjustable resistance bands. Maximum equivalent of 150 pounds. Comes as a set of 5, 48 inches long colored exercise bands. Yellow, blue, green, black, red. All bands can be combined together to provide up to 150 pounds. Mobile gym to build muscles. You can use the resistance bands with ankle straps and door attachment to exercise at home or outside. You can do exercise anytime and anywhere to burn fat and increase muscle strength. What are included? 5 tube resistance bands, 2 soft cushioned handles, 2 ankle straps, 1 door anchor, 1 exercise guidance, 1 carrying bag. Number 3. Resistance bands for working out. Upgraded 210 pounds heavy ultra bands. Based on customer and market research, we have made a comprehensive optimization of the resistance bands, improved the production process, and used healthy 100% natural latex materials to make the exercise bands more durable and more elastic and longer service life. 1 hour of exercise with a 210 pounds resistance bands is greater than 2 hours with a 150 pounds. All the resistance bands can reach the marked maximum weight only when they are pulled more than 4 times their length, which is 180 inches. The limit length is 5 times their own length, which is 220 inches. Please do not let the resistance bands exceed the limit length, so as to avoid damage to your body at any time. In the event of breakage, please get in touch with us immediately to get a new product for free. Our training band suit is the perfect equipment for muscle training and fat burning. Practicing squats, push-ups, leg raises, planks, and strengthening triceps are very effective. The ankle straps can better strengthen the leg muscles. For women who want to stay in shape, the workout band suit can also help train the hips, shape the perfect chest and abdominal muscles, and show a charming body curve. Number 4. The Ultimate Premium Full Workout Resistance Band Set. High-quality bands. Our resistance bands for men and women are made of premium latex bands with heavy-duty safety belt buckles and reinforced links, providing you with reliable strength and durability. Great value kit. Our workout band set includes 3 elastic bands for exercise, 2 handles, 2 ankle straps, 1 door anchor, and 1 steel bar. All are packed in a waterproof carrying bag for convenient storing. Indoor or outdoor use. Whether you're up for a quick exercise in the park, office, or even at your home, you can bring our exercise bands with you. Get yours now by clicking Add to Cart today. Muscle training. With the steel bar that allows for better grip for full body exercises, our kit will help your body develop and strengthen your triceps, abs, and thighs for a healthier physique. Enhanced design. Featuring a combination of 3 stretch bands, our resistance band set has a total load of 180 pounds. It lets you enjoy challenging workout options for improved strength and athletic performance. Anti-slip and safe to operate, the fold-up training base is with non-slip bottom and multiple buckles to help adjust the direction that allows you to increase or decrease the exercise difficulty based on shortening or lengthening or superimpose the resistance bands. With the foldable home workout equipment and easy carrying handle. Number 5. Whatafit Pull-Up Assist Bands Resistance Stretch Band. Our pull-up bands can be stretched repeatedly year after year. No odor, no poison. Environmentally friendly latex material isn't only durable, but also healthy. Fit all exercise levels, whether calves or seasoned athlete. This resistance bands will help to take your fitness training and rehab to the next level. Use these workout bands individually or combined to receive additional tension levels. Exercise safely on your own, anytime and anywhere. Universal partner for workout. Each exercise band offers different level of resistance, both for heavy-duty pull-up training, adding resistances to bench press, squats, push-up, Olympic lifts. A must-have sports accessory for pilates, calisthenics, yoga, powerlifting, CrossFit, etc. Suitable for daily use. Each fitness bands is carefully constructed to resist snapping and breaking, which are able to withstand intense daily exercise sessions. Now enjoy the exercise with Whatafit pull-up bands resistance bands. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.